Choosing the best kitchen torch can really elevate your cooking, whether you're caramelizing sugar or searing meat. With so many options out there, it helps to know what makes a top-rated kitchen torch stand out. I'm honestly super interested to hear which features matter most to you, so feel free to share your thoughts as we go along. Let's start by exploring the RAVS Butane Torch Lighter. This model immediately impresses with its sleek, ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand, allowing you to maintain precise control over your flame. You'll appreciate the adjustable flame feature, which lets you dial in the perfect intensity for delicate tasks or high heat applications. The torch's refillable butane reservoir is straightforward to top up with standard butane canisters, ensuring you won't be left mid-task without fuel. Its safety lock mechanism also gives you peace of mind when it's not in use. As you use the RAVS torch, you'll notice the consistent, wind-resistant flame that's ideal for both indoor and outdoor cooking. The trigger ignition system is smooth and reliable, so you won't have to struggle with flicking a lighter repeatedly. This makes your experience more efficient, especially when you're multitasking in a busy kitchen. The torch's flame reaches temperatures typical for kitchen torches, generally around 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to brown, sear, and caramelize with ease, giving you professional level results at home. The torch's lightweight build means you can maneuver it easily around your dishes without fatigue, which is a subtle but important benefit during extended cooking sessions. Its compact size also makes it convenient to store in a kitchen drawer or take along for outdoor grilling. The overall build quality feels robust, so you can expect it to withstand regular use without issues. Finally, the RAVS torch's versatility extends beyond the kitchen. You can use it for soldering small metal parts, crafting, or even lighting candles safely. This multifunctionality adds value, making it a practical tool for a variety of household needs. When you hold this torch, you'll sense that it's designed to be your reliable partner in culinary creativity and beyond. Moving on, the TBTEEK Butane Torch offers a professional-grade experience with its adjustable flame and sturdy construction. Right away, you'll notice the torch's large fuel tank, which means fewer refills and longer uninterrupted use. This is a big plus if you're planning to torch multiple dishes or work on projects that require sustained heat. The TBTEEK torch features a precision flame control knob that allows you to fine-tune the flame size from a gentle simmer to a powerful jet. This control gives you the flexibility to handle a variety of cooking techniques, from delicate melting to intense searing. The flame's consistency is impressive, maintaining steady heat without sputtering, which is crucial for achieving even results. Ergonomics are thoughtfully addressed with a comfortable grip and a safety lock that prevents accidental ignition. The torch also includes a built-in flame guard, which enhances safety by protecting your hands from the intense heat. The ignition system is a one-touch trigger, making it simple to use even when your hands are busy or gloved. Beyond cooking, the TBTEEK torch's solid build and reliable ignition make it suitable for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who need a dependable heat source. The torch's design balances power, safety, and ease of use, which means you can trust it in both culinary and practical applications. You'll find it's a versatile tool that meets the demands of serious users without unnecessary complexity, making it a great kitchen torch for a variety of needs. I'd genuinely love to know if you've tried a torch like this for any DIY projects, so feel free to share your experience. Next up is the Bernzomatic TS8000, a torch well known for its high intensity and durability. When you pick up this torch, you immediately feel the sturdy construction designed for heavy-duty use. The TS8000 is engineered to deliver a powerful flame that reaches temperatures up to approximately 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1,982 degrees Celsius, making it one of the hottest torches in its class. This model's trigger start ignition system is intuitive, allowing you to light the torch quickly and safely. The torch also features an adjustable flame control, so you can tailor the heat output precisely to your needs. Whether you're caramelizing sugar or soldering metal, the TS8000 provides consistent, reliable performance. The torch's fuel efficiency is another benefit. Its large fuel tank means longer operating times between refills, which is especially helpful if you rely on your torch frequently. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the torch's stability when placed upright adds convenience and safety when you need to set it down momentarily. What sets the Bernzomatic TS8000 apart is its versatility and robust build quality. It's not just a kitchen tool, but a trusted companion for various tasks requiring intense heat. When you use this torch, you'll appreciate its ability to deliver professional-grade results without compromise, making it a favorite among both chefs and craftsmen. This model often ranks highly in kitchen torch reviews for its power and reliability. Now, let's turn our attention to the Iwatani PRO2 Kitchen Butane Torch. This torch is a favorite among culinary professionals for its precision and reliability. The PRO2 flame is highly adjustable, allowing you to achieve a fine controlled flame or a broader, hotter flame depending on your cooking needs. This flexibility enhances your ability to execute delicate finishing touches or more intense searing. One of the standout features of the Iwatani PRO2 is its anti-flare technology, which stabilizes the flame even in breezy conditions. This ensures you can work outdoors or in drafty kitchens without worrying about flame disruption. The torch's design includes a sturdy base that allows it to stand upright safely, freeing your hands when needed. The PRO2 fuel gauge is a helpful addition, letting you monitor how much butane remains so you're never caught off guard. Its refillable tank is easy to top up with standard butane canisters, and the torch's overall build quality feels solid and durable. The ignition system is smooth and responsive, making lighting the torch quick and hassle-free. Using the Iwatani PRO2, you'll notice how the flame's precision allows you to caramelize, brown, and sear with expert control. The torch's ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling even during extended cooking sessions. It's a tool that truly empowers you to elevate your culinary creations with confidence, making it a standout in any kitchen torches comparison. Finally, let's examine the Sondiko Butane Torch Lighter. This torch stands out for its compact size combined with robust functionality. You'll find the Sondiko torch easy to handle, with a design that balances portability and performance. Its adjustable flame lets you customize the heat output to suit a variety of kitchen tasks. The torch features a clear fuel gauge, so you can easily check when it's time for a refill. Refilling is straightforward with standard butane canisters, and the torch's fuel efficiency means you'll get good use between refills. The ignition system is a one-touch mechanism, providing quick and reliable lighting every time you need it. Safety is a key consideration with the Sondiko torch, which includes a child-resistant lock to prevent accidental ignition. This feature adds peace of mind, especially if you have children or curious pets around your kitchen. The torch also has a sturdy base, allowing it to stand upright securely when not in use, minimizing the risk of tipping over and accidental burns. When you use the Sondiko torch, you'll appreciate the steady, wind-resistant flame that performs well for a variety of culinary tasks. Whether you're caramelizing sugar on desserts or roasting peppers, the torch delivers consistent heat with precision. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver around your dishes, and it's light enough to use comfortably for extended periods. Beyond the kitchen, the Sondiko torch's portability and reliability make it a handy tool for small DIY projects or lighting candles. The overall build quality feels solid for its price point, making it a practical choice if you want a dependable torch without investing in professional-grade equipment. For those searching for a best kitchen torch that balances affordability and performance, the Sondiko is definitely worth considering. In summary, each of these top-rated kitchen torches offers something special, from the powerful Bernzomatic TS8000 to the compact and reliable Sondiko. If you're doing a kitchen torches comparison, this guide should help you find the right fit. I'm genuinely curious to hear which of these kitchen torches you choose for your own cooking adventures, so please share your pick when you get a chance. And don't forget, links to all the products are in the description box below if you want to check out prices or learn more. Happy torching!